How to fix last scene not showing on Messenger. So if you want to fix your last scene is not showing on Messenger, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having the internet connection, you need to just open up your Messenger. After opening your Messenger, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that three horizontal lines, and then go with settings. Under settings, go with active status, and here you need to make sure that it is turned on, because if it is turned off, then you won't be able to see other people's active status or last seen on your Messenger. So you just need to simply go and turn that on. After turning it on, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store. Under your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Messenger. After searching, go with update if you have any updates under your Messenger. After updating, your problem might be you need to go and restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix your last scene not showing on your Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.